Something I had a lot of trouble with when first getting the DJI Neo 2 was inserting and removing the battery. In the dock, it's pretty simple. You just have to pull it from the back and it gets out. When you insert it face down first and then you just push it. It's pretty easy. But on the drone side, it's not quite as intuitive. At first you're going to think that you have to push this, but it doesn't come out. Only if you tug for it a little bit harder. Also, when you put it back, if you put it in with the back first, like you did in the dock, it will not go through. You cannot insert it, and you have a problem here. But the trick is to just insert it, put it a little bit further back, and then it will pop right into place. So push very hard to remove it on both sides, and when you align it, just align it a little further back and not like this. If you align it like this, it will not go through. If you align it like this, and this is it. Pretty simple.